Good evening. It's January 12th. John, geriatric astronomer. I've been having some ongoing issues with my telescope. I haven't really been able to get it function to my liking, and then the other night my Autoguide wouldn't connect. So I was like, what the hell? And that did work. So I don't know what's going on there. So I joined an astronomy club. They've been at it since 1927 down in St. Petersburg, Florida. So I haven't gone to a meeting yet. And then there's another group up in Pasco County, and they have these star parties over at J.B. Starkey Park over in Newport Richey. So I'm looking forward to attending some of that and get some pointers and have somebody with more brain power than me, which is pretty much everybody, obviously, at this point in time, be able to determine what my issues are. I've been having trouble with my Canon M50. I can't get it to shoot at night. And I know it's my settings, but I don't know where to set it. And there's a tutorial on YouTube, and I started watching, and I have to continue to watching it. On another note, though, I took my Sony A7, it's a 36 megapixel camera, and I put my spotter, my Autoguide scope on it, and I took some still images just offhand without a mount. I just leaned on the hood of my truck. And I took a few. I mean, I don't know how they came out yet. I haven't really, popped them into the computer and see what they look like, take them off the SD card. But this clicked every time. Now, this is a full spectrum camera, so you're going to see red because there's no IR filter in it. So I'm really liking this camera, and I need to get another. I think I'm going to get another A7, but that hasn't been converted, so it's just a straight A7. I'd like to get something. What is it? The A7 R3 or something like that. I don't know. I don't remember right now, but I had looked at them previously, and I bought this one simply because it was already converted. I mean, it's a pretty nice camera. It works well, I guess. I've taken some images with it. With the stock lens that I have that I bought for it, because this didn't come with a lens. So I bought a lens, and it turns out it was the wrong one, so I had to get an adapter to convert it from an F to an EF. I think that's what it is. I don't remember. Time flies when you're having fun. So I want to be able to. I was gonna mount this on my mount and use that for steady, but I figured, let me just try a couple offhanded shots. The moon is up. It's about halfway across my horizon, so to speak. So we'll see what happens. I have no idea. I do have. There's a 32 millimeter lens inside this adapter here. That's what this little screw is. It tightens it in there. So maybe I'll change it out because it only takes a few seconds, and I'll throw something with a little heavier magnification in it, maybe a 10, and then I'll take a couple more shots with it and see where we're at. Well, listen, thanks for joining. Subscribe, like if you like. I'd appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. Bye.